Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the Indian Constitution. Con- so, what is the Indian Constitution? Any constitutions are made by some of them, and Indian constitutions made by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So, what is the Indian Constitution? What is the Indian Constitution? So, it is the compulsory to law in a written manner. It is one of the compulsory to law in a written manner. Any type of countries you need to follow some constitution. I will tell you one of the simple example. In England, the law is in unwritten format. Indian law is in written format. Likewise, England, with the help of past events and policies, as a reference, they are making new laws often. So their law is in unwritten format. There is a written format, there is a unwritten format. How we are going to define the written format? How we are going to define the unwritten format? So in England, the law is unwritten format. In India, the law is written format. So what is the draft committee? Indian constitution is mainly based on committee. So draft committee submitted their law format on 26th November 1949. But coming to a action on 26th January 1950, this day is celebrated as our Republic Day. So 26th January 1950 is the Republic Day. So our Indian Constitution starts from the India. So what is the introduction? What is the introduction? It is not compulsory to law in a written manner. I told you some of the examples why we are giving the draft. Indian Constitution is divided into 25 parts, 22 parts plus 3 new parts by amendment. What do you mean by amendment? If you are giving one law, such law can be make sure that one type of presentation and it will give you amendments. Every part is divided into articles. Every articles inside rules, regulation, duties are given. So these are the different types of techniques are there in the Indian constitutions. These are the different types of aspects are there in the Indian constitution. So part 1, article 1 to 4. So what is article 1, what is article 2, what is article 3, what is article 4? Article 1, India, the name should be used as a combination of state and union territories. Should not say one state or union as India. Article number 2, Parliament has the authority to establish a new state inside India. Article 3, Parliament has the authority to contact or expand the state or union boundaries. So, as written in the Indian Constitution, these articles are there. So, how we are going to define the articles in a different manner? So, Article 4. So, what is the Article 2? What is the Article 2? What Article 1? What is the Article 2? What is the Article 3? Followed by Article 4. New establishment of state bill introduction be done in Lok Rajya Sabha after President approval. So, new establishment of state bill introduction be done in Lok Rajya Sabha after President approval. Before giving approval to the Parliament, that bill should be sent to the respective state government for their opinion. This opinion should not control the president. So that is one of the example. Next, part 2, Article 5 to 11. What are the different types of articles are there in the Indian constitutions? Article 5. When a person born in India between 26 1 1950 to 1986 means a birth as a reference is a citizen of India. After 1986, some correction in law says that children's parents, anyone should born in India, then only as birth he is a citizen of India. Next, if a person born outside India between 26 1 1950 to 1992, then according if his father belongs to Indian citizen, then he can apply for a Indian citizen and get through it. So that is the case of Article 6. How we are going to define the Article 6? Article 7. These articles say about the peoples who shifted from India to Pakistan. Article 7 say about the peoples who shifted from India to Pakistan. So that is called the Article 7. So how we are going to define the Article 7? Article 8. The people belong to the category can get a citizen of registration. The people belong to the category can get citizen by registration. After our separation of India, they are living outside India. They can apply and get citizenship by registration. Marry Indian citizen and get citizenship by registration. So these are the different types of Article 8 are there. The people belong to the category can get citizen by registration. After of separation of India, they are living outside India. They can apply and get citizenship by registration. Marry Indian citizen and get citizenship by registration. So these are the different types of articles are there in the um, Indian Constitution. So Indian Constitution mainly focus on 25 parts, 22 parts plus 3 new parts by amendments. So what are the class, what are the subclass, what are the amendments, all are, we need to discuss more elaborately what is there in the Indian Constitution. Every part is divided into articles. So every part is divided into articles. Every article inside rules, regulation, duties are given. So these are the different types of techniques are there in the Indian Constitution. So how we are going to define the draft committee in Indian Constitution? Draft committee submitted their law format on 26th November 1949, but coming to action on 26th January 1950, this day is celebrated as our Republic Day. So that is the importance of the uh, Republic Day and commandments. So law can be implemented in India in written format, and England law is unwritten format. So these are the different types of techniques are there in the uh, Indian Constitution. So look at the Indian Constitution: introduction, followed by draft committee, followed by Indian Constitution parts. What are the different types of Indian Constitution parts are there? And after that, Indian Constitution parts, what are the different types of parts are there? And you need to look into the different types of parts in a different manner. And there are 8 parts are there. Eight parts are there. You need to discuss more elaborately what is there in the Indian Constitution, mainly focusing on articles. In introduction, there are 8 articles are there. So what is the Article 1? What is the Article 2? Likewise, You need to discuss more elaborately what is there in the citizenship. That will give you the actual definition of the Indian Constitution. So Article 6, what you say, Article 7, what you say, Article 8, what you say, all are depends on the different types of Indian Constitution. Thank you.